Try to find out the ratio which is used in finding out the common ratio in geometric sequence. The thing that you have to do is to multiply the first term from the second term. I mean to divide. So if you divide 8 from 2, then you come up with 4, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now if we divide 32 from the second term 8, we also find out that it's 4. So the ratio is constant. Therefore, this problem is a geometric sequence. Now, the point of this problem is to find out the sixth term. So how do we find the sixth term? There is a particular formula used in geometric sequence. It goes like a sub n is equals to the first term multiplied by the ratio, the nth term subtracted by 1. Now let's substitute it with the variables that we have in this paper. Since we are looking for the sixth term, then it is written as a sub 6 is equals to the first term, which is 2, multiplied by the common ratio of 4. So since we determined earlier that the common ratio is 4, let's write on 4. Then since we're looking for the sixth term, let's write on 6 subtracted by 1. Now let's simplify. 2 multiplied by 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now let's multiply 4 5 times. So if we multiply 4 5 times, then we're likely to get the answer if we base it in the calculator. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Then the answer is 1024. Now if we multiply 2 and 1024, we'll find the sixth term. 2 times 1024 is divided by 2. It's 2048. Therefore, the sixth term is 2048. And that is how you find the terms in a geometric sequence geometric sequence problem, and that would be all.